Modern Windows laptops can prove extremely powerful, but few take performance as far as MSI's Titan 18HX. This is an 18-inch flagship laptop that goes all in on the latest, quickest hardware and makes zero concessions for weight and portability. It's a brick, but wow, this brick really flies. The MSI Titan 18HX's specifications make its performance intent clear. It equips an Intel Core i7-14900HX processor with 24 cores and 32 threads alongside NVIDIA RTX 4090 mobile graphics. That's backed up by an incredible 128 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and a 4 terabyte solid-state drive. Many laptops have a few of these components, but it's rare to see them together in one machine. MSI currently offers just two configurations of MSI Titan 18HX. Most retailers have the model I reviewed, which carries an MSRP of nearly $5,400. Though expensive, it's a better value than last year's model, as both the RAM and solid-state storage space has doubled. There's also a variant exclusive to Micro Center, which has half as much RAM and retails for about $5,000. I enjoyed the MSI Titan 18HX's predecessor, the Titan GT77HX13V, when I reviewed it last year. But I did have one problem. I'm still not sure the laptop looks like a flagship, as the matte black exterior remains simple, but it benefits from solid materials and construction. Most touch points are metal. The display allows some flex, but not overmuch, and the lower chassis feels like a slate of granite. I was able to find flex in the keyboard tray only after pressing so hard that my fingers hurt. I suspect a laptop like the Titan 18HX will take less lumps in its life than most, as it's too large and heavy for most people to bother with moving frequently. Still, it feels capable of handling a life of travel if the massive 18-inch display, a weak spot on any large laptop, is protected. Speaking of weight, the Titan 18HX tips the scales at nearly 8 pounds and measures over 15 inches wide, as well as 12 inches deep. It's not exactly a briefcase PC, but it's certainly among the heavier laptops sold today and won't fit in a typical backpack's laptop compartment. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 is roughly similar in size, though a bit more narrow, but it weighs over a pound less. The MSI Titan 18HX's keyboard is worth talking about. It has SteelSeries branded keyboard with cherry mechanical key switches and a customizable per-key RGB LED backlight. Key feel is excellent, though it might take adjustment. The laptop's height, alongside its significant key travel in each key, makes typing feel far more similar to a desktop keyboard than most laptops. Each keystroke is received by a crisp, snappy bottoming action and moderate audible feedback. Keyboard backlight control is offered through SteelSeries' own GG software, not software from MSI. This is probably for the best, as the quality of the SteelSeries app is higher than those provided by MSI. The lighting of each key can be customized individually, or owners can choose from one of nearly 24 presets. There's a key function and macro editor, too, which is handy if you want to go full nerd and add custom shortcuts. A modest touchpad sits below the keyboard. It measures just 5 inches wide and 3 inches deep, which is small given the laptop's size. The touchpad is completely flush with the surface of the palm rest, which makes for an attractive look but also makes the touchpad harder to find by feel. MSI tries to combat this by using haptics to simulate a physical click, but it feels as artificial as it is. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.